Stop scrolling the phone. Your smartphone can kill you very much. Stop scrolling the phone because this social media can kill you from mental and physically. So that stop scrolling the phone. Today's topic was to discussing about the how social media kills you by slowly like as a poison. So that coming to the point that as we can this channel was a important English conversational discussion channel. In today's video we're gonna try to discuss about the disadvantages and the advantages of the social media platform. As we are coming from the social media platform, there was a platform called the shorts creation and the reel creation, in which the students or the many more people who are mature get badly trapped into this platform and get so much addicted toward it, so that they make them as a lots of addicted toward the social media platform, so that they make them very much less confidence and less focus in himself, so that becoming to be confidence life and having to be very much fluent in English conversation and fluent and becoming to be the better growth in your life, so that you have to be and you becoming to be the first of all change your social media platform. For example, let's suppose as a research shows that an average person daily spend more than 4 hours into the social media platform, so that they grab the social media platform as a worst thing that has to be grabbed, and for many of the blah blah thing that have to be conserved. By this thing, the social media platform can kill a person by feeling the negativity. For example, coming to the example that I have some friends who have scrolling the social media platform and scrolling, and just to go to the viral section and go to the trading section and watching the videos that was to be coming to be the viral, and just to scrolling the phone up to more of the student who get addicted, no having no job, who was get to addicted and scrolling the phone more than 10 to 12 hours, so that the you can see the addiction level. And if you ask them why you can scrolling the phone and why you cannot do the any of the job, then they will say that we will scrolling the phone or for collecting the information. But everyone says that, or research shows that if you have an habit, then you can store the information that you grab from the environment. But if you capturing more than 10 to 12 hours of information to your brain and do not recalling for yourself, so that how could you remember that the information that could be remember in your brain. So that lots of friend my who was lots of craze was into the social media platform for the news related content, for the content of unhealthy content, not consuming to be the content to be as a very much wealthier, watching the controversies, so that this will killing the people for all of the criteria, and killing the people as a weak mindset people. And after that many students or many adult people get so much frustrated and for so much get depressed into this field, so that how to be get to be minimize this type of distraction. The just a simple thing is that first of all find out that why we are going to the social media platform. Take a find another platform, another place where we can find a place where we can discuss about the thing that discuss about the criteria, discuss about the basic information about ourselves, that how could we get motivated for ourselves. Always this channel was having made yourself to be very much improve your communication skills, but also to be growth your overall aspect. For example, if you were scrolling the phone or so much busy while continuing while consuming the controversies, you can never get a single minute basic information for yourself, and never becoming to be the growth in your life, and never becoming to be the person of a self independent, and you can't earn money. So that today's topic was to not to earn money, but to how to overcome the social media platform. For example, as I can explain you that how social media can kill you, because as research shows that according to the NDTV, this says that many people who consume the data scientists who consume the data from the social media platform will be sold toward the any companies, will be shared by the lots of money, more than billions of dollars, so that how that your data can be insecure, and how your data could be very much dangerous. So that yeah, the first of all thing is that if you can know, if you could not know about yourself more than the social media platform that you can use, who will know about yourself more than, so that the data, what type of data you consume, what type of information that you get it, and what type of information what you wanted to research in future, so that any of the and the thinking level and the approach level that could be totally approached by the social media company, and how to be recognized as a viewer, or how, and making yourself to be so much consistent toward the social media platform to earn money for themselves. So that how any student who was free or not to free, or was busy into the studies and lots of things, they always try to say that always busy into the social media platform, just to scrolling it and not to doing anything. They say that always to get learn something from these skills, we get something new information, but to say that if you grabbing information, you have nothing to be learned from yourself. So that if you want to learn something, then learn a skills of communication, then learn a skills of any editing skills, then any photo editing skills, selling skills, and how to represent ourselves into front of the camera, in front of the people, and how to becoming to be growth, how to becoming to financial stability. Learn this type of skills, not to getting the skills of a unwealthier thing that is very much unnecessary to be grab for ourselves. So that not to grab the information that should be not be air to the part of your life. For example, lots of people watch the videos of Dhruv Rathé, Nitish Rajput, and many more YouTubers who was delivering the information about the political content. The most of all first of all, we have to discuss that the content that they deliver for the YouTube. We see the videos of the Dhruv Rathé and the Nitish Rajput because the content was political, but the student who was not more than 15 years of age, then why he can go for the this type of content for the information that they can know, then they can remember, and they can say that we get something new information, new ideas about ourselves, and knowing something better things that we can acquire from the social media platform. So that this will affect the people a lot. So that this will be the very much important thing that has to be recognized for our self, that always find the niche, or always find the that how and where our time was goes to the platform. So that never wasting your time, because every single minute of time was very much important. As I say that if you have time, then please record your videos and record yourself and publish into the YouTube section, publish in any of the section. Because if you're not getting any of the skill, but you can storing your data for yourself, and something getting information, something skill formative thing for yourself. So that this was the disadvantages of the social media platform. So coming to the another point, that how social media platform to be very much advantages. Let's coming to the point that any conversation that we can reach the people who was coming from the Australia, or coming from the Western culture, coming from the country or state, from the very much far places. We can meet them very easily, and we can know the about himself very easily, very quickly, from the basis of the videos, from the text, and from the many of the platforms. So that we can for basis of photos, we can reach them and reach out by the simple click and simple getting it. And also coming for the social media platform, we get an opportunity about that how people can sorry to say that how people can find about yourself and finding about himself, that that any of the problem, any of the issue that can be tweeted into the Twitter section and into the YouTube section, making to be the very much go to the viral. And after that a time, the public, after that get published into the platform, the result get published, and after the time the marks was after the time the social media platform, by cold DMing and cold mailing, the government can reach the quantitative approach, and after the time they can receive it and furthering give the result of the thing, so that how it could be easy to be for the people to be sitting into the bench and just typing a message and just typing a record a video and telling anything about ourselves and anything about the anything about the problem. Then the government, which government on the any of the society, any of the person place who can solve it easily very much. So that how it could be very much important for the social media platform. And another point is that if you want to reach any person, we can easily meet by a simple conversation, a simple video duration and all on. And there was having also an important thing is that very much important that for coming to the social media platform, we have just to get many more skills and many more financial stability for the social media platform. For example, let's suppose a student who was knowing the best of skills for the social media platform, he was entered into the social media platform and he learned the many more skills, such as learning such as learning blogging, such as learning YouTube creation. Who first of all, a person who was coming from the YouTube creation, who always becoming to be the very much good speaking in English communication, or sorry, not to say English communication, becoming to be the great conversational people, becoming to be the very good editor, becoming to be the very good thumbnail designer, very much fluent in this thing, and very much becoming to be the sorry to say, very much high professionality things into them. But not to say the improving the communication skills, but sometimes the video editing skills, the thumbnailing skills was very much also to be improved for themselves. As a type of business also, they can earn how to money for themselves into creating this platform, so that also this will create a lots of thing how the people can create a large space for themselves. And also very much important that social media can create a lots of opportunity for the people, for example for earning a money. Because I also say that lots of people who belonging from the not to becoming to be the rich personality, but after the time they doing the law very much good thing, good earning source from the social media platform. Because the social media pay itself for the content that you can deliver into the front of the YouTube. Because in front of the social media platform, no one becoming to be the rich, no one becoming to be the poor, so everyone can show his skills, everyone who can show their ideas, thoughts, expression, blogs, everything you can share, and lots of people can watch it. And as you can share the content of for example, as you can share the content of inspirational content, as a motivational content, as inspiring content, or uploading the content as a educational content, blogging content, and lots of content that you can gather into the mind of people and approach the people more than lakhs and the crores, so that how people can reach you by the English conversation and lots of the conversation, so that how it could be very much important. And also the important thing is that if you wanted to becoming to be the grow into the YouTube section, you have to know the color grading. The color grading was also very much important, because if you are knowing the very much skills that you have to know how to speak, but if the background or the color gradation was not to be so much very much good, so that the viewers attention was to be not to be grabbed for your video. For example, coming to the previous years, the communication of the people was very much higher, but coming to now current point, the communication point was also get very much decreases, or sorry, very much decreases, and the attention span also decreases, because of scrolling time, and the lots of information can be gather can be occupied in a single second, more not more than 1 minute. So that this will create a lots of brain damage for the public and brain damage for the people, how they can minimizing the focus level for the people. So coming to the another point, that research is a very much important point for the any of the content creation. And social media was also be very much good, because at the same time many people can know about yourself self by approaching the videos, by approaching the by approaching the say that you can, as we say that by approaching the videos, by approaching the social media platform, by searching the names. Let's suppose I was belonging from the Jharkhand and people see my videos from the Kashmir, from the Delhi, from the New Delhi, from the Karnataka, and lots of every places who can see and watch my videos on the base on just to simply clickbait thumbnails and by clicking it. So how it could be important that if we have to just to optimize yourself, optimize our communication skills, because only reason that I'm becoming to be the financially stable, you have to just to becoming to be the very much fluent in English communication. If your English communication was very much good, then you can becoming to be the fit for the industry, because in coming to the Indian industry, there was always say that the speaking language was also say that very much YouTubers say the Hindi, but coming to the sponsorship detail, sponsorship, any of the communication, brand deals, lots of every places there was a important conversation, English conversation was also be needed, so that how it could be important for to grab the information from the public. And lots of communication that we can get it from the another platform that we can grab it. First of all, I will say that in every day you have to learn something more than not more than 1 hour, because if you can learn more, if you can more learn a skill for less than 1 hour, or more than 1 hour, or let's suppose a person who can learn a skills of for more than 3 to 4 hours, he can grab himself as addicted toward the watching the videos, because he will not get a time to spend himself for the doing or performing the skills or for their career. So that this could be how very much suffocating for them, for the people for the continuing to the videos. There was having also important for that not to be consuming the data more than for 3 hours, because if you are consuming the data for more than 3 hours, you are supposed to be the very much disappointed or self negative person. So that while scrolling the social media platform, you will always find that you will get it the information about the controversies, the videos that was coming from the sorry to say that very much undisappointed thoughts, and the and something that is that people go for the foreign countries, enjoying the many more enjoying the water parks, enjoying the another countries, exploring the countries we can see, but we are at the same place we are not be able to do such a thing, because we have no money, lack of money. So that how it could be so much important for ourselves that to becoming to be this part of the life. So I always try to take a decision that becoming to be the creator, not to becoming to be the part of the say viewer, because as a quote say that lots of public wanted to see you, and not the every people wanted to watch, wanted to create, because they have a lots of fear for themselves that we can't grow ourselves as a creator, we can't becoming to be the type of people who was very much grow into the field of the communication, into the field of the creator. Because let's suppose to be coming from an example that every person who was coming from the or who was going for the communication, or who was going for the type of channel, sorry, not the type of channel, who was going for the examination into the schools, he was fail into the lots of time, but even he say that I was fail into the examination, or blah 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 thing, but he always say that I will try, but this was not in my hands, so that I was get to be failed into the examination and not score the good marks. So that also coming to the social media platform, we have to just to showcase ourselves, and doing the best of the skills that we have, and always improve ourselves that we can have from the previous ones to the coming ones. So that how it could be important for ourselves. And coming to the future one, we have always to say set a goal about ourselves, that how we can make ourselves to be coming to be the what type of people we have to, and what type of people to wanted to becoming to be from into the future. So that I wanted to becoming to be the very much good fluent in the English conversation, English communication. So that I always try to, and I wanted to becoming to be the blog myself, because how I was becoming to be into the future, that was to be recorded. For example, you can always find out your mistakes, and doing the better things that you can do, and that you can be repeated ever. For example, let's suppose I was doing lots of mistakes in my communication, lots of mistakes in my videos, but after the day, or by doing regularly, by continuing my services, I was able to, and I was having the skills that I have developed, something creative, something informative toward myself. And after that, my conversation, my accent also get improved, and the type of angle that I have to taken for the YouTube videos, and lots of things that has to be improved. For example, after recording for my YouTube videos, I was not using the mic for my videos. I was just to record in front of the taking the camera, and just to record the video, and saying anything about myself, or anything the information that I have know. For example, I have not spending more important criteria, not doing the lots of communication, sorry, no, lots of social media engagement. As you can see my social media platform, that I was introducing toward the YouTube for no more than 1 hour. I was just to go to this platform only for the knowing the best of the skills that I have improved into my thumbnail skills, because I have very much interest into the editing into the thumbnail, because for the clickbait and SEO related thumbnail. So that I was like this content, this type of information for myself. And so that how it could be important. And I was using lots of platform for edited my thumbnail. For example, Photoshop, PixArt, Pixlab, and also the Lightroom, and lots of the platform. So that I will also try to discuss the tutorial for the type of the videos, so that how I can make the thumbnails, and how I can create the thumbnails for the better conversation. Because coming to the Lightroom, I was not to be becoming to be the good in Lightroom, so that I have to need the tutorial, and need the basic criteria for the tutorial. Because for becoming to be the advanced into the form of tutorial into the, first of all, if you wanted to know the skills, just to go toward it, and just fail toward it, and doing the errors. Because if you can't find your error, then you cannot get a good point to becoming to be the fluent in this thing. So that how it could be important. And lots of time I also try to take a English conversational channel that called Dear Sir, who can make videos for the how to speak English, how to becoming to be your accent. They always say that not to becoming to be the accent like a British people always take action about the Indians, just to saying about yourself in front of the camera, that how you can inspiring the public, and how you have the quality such as if you wanted to scrolling the phones, and doing irregular activity by disturbing yourself. I have lots of friends who was disturbing themselves, and doing nothing toward himself, and scrolling the phones. And also coming to my point, that I was also not serious toward my YouTube channel for that, because I have lack of mobile data. So that I have uploaded the videos for my using my friend's phone. So that how I can upload the video, because the data connection, because I have no data connection, because I have no valid recharge plan for my current phone. Because from past 1 month I have no recharge, because I wanted to be coming to be the monk mode for myself. I know that I have a recharge plan, or I have a data in my hand, so that after the time I have a something free time, that I can scroll my phones, and doing the activities such as disturbing myself, as watching the videos of unwanted reasonable things, watching the videos, doing the skills such as unwanted skills for myself, and lots of things that was to be not to be needed for myself. So that how it could be important to be ignored, so that we can grow ourselves as a self improvement in our daily life. And I just wanted to say that how I was improve my communication skills. I don't know about it, but I always try to take a initial challenge that how I can improve myself. From coming to the phone, that how why I would not edited my phones, edited my videos from my phone, because while coming to the edition in editing in my phone cannot rendering, cannot export the videos that I can record and that I can communicate in front of the camera, because my videos coming to be very much longer as longer, because whenever I coming from the YouTube channel, I was just to enroll it and saying the video, saying about myself into daily, because it was very much important for ourselves, that for conversating with ourselves into the channel, into the place where we can store our data, that how we can talk to about ourselves in front of the camera, and recording ourselves, that how we are and how expressing ourselves in front of the camera. This is so much important to that the conversation that would be, because nothing to worry about that how much people can watch your videos, and how many people can wanted to visit your content, so that nothing to be matters a lot. But the single thing is matter, that your communication and the type of speeches that you have to be delivered, that was to be very much improved for your skills, so that how it could be so much important for yourself and for any of the people. Let's coming to the another point, that removing or overcoming the social media platform, you need a addiction. For example, yeah, the addiction of an alcoholic person, who never say that I was an addicted toward the alcohol. She was always just to say as a medicine, they that can cure them for problem, that from the anxiety, tensions, and lots of things, so that they always try to overcoming from their overcoming the depressions from the alcohol. Like such a like same coming to the point of the coming to the point in the social media platform, every children, every adult get depressed, get so much addicted toward the social media platform, so that they can very much addicted toward it, and they cannot wanted, they cannot say that we are so much addicted toward the social media platform. If they can see their dig, so the sorry dig, the screen time of the phone, they can receive that, they can talk to, they can spending the social media platform for more than 7 hour, 10 hour, and they always say that we are not to just to be addicted toward the social media platform. They always say that we are just scrolling the phone to getting the something informative ideas that we can grab from it, and there was a very much good for themselves. But coming to the all perspective and all times, that for anything that you have to be approach something good, something bad, that could be happen. Let's suppose to be that any person who wanted to earn money, something is to be good for them, but after getting the money, say they could don't know about how to manage the monies, so that they can use the money for buying the unnecessary products, so that they can destroy themselves, and lots of things that doing so that anything that you wanted to do it, something good and something bad for themselves, for any person. So that always try to discuss about yourself, that how social media is dangerous for yourself. Coming to the point, that the social media always say that not to be engaged, because as a social media platform, lots of data scientists, lots of engineer was kept toward the platform, and measuring the platform to be very much fluent for the public and people, and very much easy for them, because as coming to the social media platform, the source creation was also to be very much important, so that they always take the source creation at the top of the video, so that viewers attention was just to coming to this place, and after that they can get into the place and got disturbed in this place, so that how it could be so much depressing toward ourselves. And another important thing is that after paying the lots of paying for the engineers for the taking the attention for ourselves, so that how it was saying that our attention span was very much say that very much important or very much addiction for ourselves. So that always coming to the point that your data is so much precious and so much important, so much costly. So that always find about your data and always try to stay motivated. And a lot, as I was also saying that from the coming to the 30 days, you are never feel that you becoming to be the motivated into the 30 days all around the time. But you have to be coming to be motivated for yourself, that you can't earn money as from a first day of the enrolling or going toward any of the platform. But you need to be some time for yourself, that you can improve your communication skills, or you can improve your daily conversation in front of the camera in front of the any other places. So that this was as a side hustle. And I also coming to the point that I made a habit for myself, that I record the video for every day. Whenever I have the data connection for myself, I was always addicted toward myself, that I was not uploading the video, just to scrolling the video and wasting my time. After the time was goes off, I was not able, I was not to be addict, not to say about anything about the how I can represent about myself, and how I can say something about my career goals, career opportunities. So that it could be very much insufficient or inattractive for myself. And lots of time I was just to scrolling the phone. But after disclosing my data connection, I was just to leaving everyone, and just to becoming to be the person who was not to becoming to be the place where I was not in front of the any of the players, just opening the monk mode so that no one want to reach me for any time, for any single moment. So that I was so much busy into my English conversation, how to be becoming to be the growth related person, for how I becoming to be the better English conversation, how I becoming to be learn skills, how represent myself in front of the camera. Because while coming to these goggles, this will helping me a lot, because these goggles make me a attractive look for the viewers, for attractive look for myself. So that how people can watch me as in front of the camera. Because after leaving this uh, goggles, the face was so much dull and not to be attractive in front of the camera. So that always I will try to improve myself, because after coming to the point that I was not facing or not to be look like a better good personality for myself. But I also try to becoming to be the good, or try to say that, try to explore myself, try to grow myself. As lots of communication says that coming to the point that I'm watching the lots of English conversational channel, or lots of consuming the data. I was always try to just to overcome my fear, while coming to the fear that lots of people that around myself who can watch me in who they see me, I was talking toward myself in front of the camera. They always see that, and they talk me about that he was get a mental approach for mental problem for himself. So that I was never wanted to suppose myself to showcase myself in front of the camera, but just to identify myself. Because everyone I see in front of myself, that everyone gets earn money from the social media platform, earn money from the any of the platform that they have. So that I also wanted to first of all, I wanted to becoming to be great personality who have the better English conversation, and also to be the type of people who can create something very much innovative, very much creative for myself. So that people can watch me, and people can see me as a type of better communication, a better approach, a better skills that I have. So that I need to improve my daily communication, because I have the type of skills that yeah, inside me, that can be improved, that can be explored on the basis of by improving the type of the skills that I have. So that I was not to be changed as lot as I was changed some time of the inspirational quotes about myself, because coming to the point that I was not to be very much deeply toward it, but something that the basic nature of any people, that who can type of people to the coming to another type of people, who can here to coming to the this type, who never change himself, but something quality based type that has to be grabbed by themselves, so that how it could be important for themselves. And also to coming for my type, that I wanted to becoming to be the very much fluent in English conversation, and very much growth related person, and doing the conversation and doing the lots of inspirational thing for myself, so that I can grow into the I can grow, and lots of doing. So this is for today's video, and hope this video will helping you to becoming to be the how to successful in your skills, and how to overcome your social media addiction. In this today's video, I was not discussing about the social media depressions and anxiety. I will just to uh, explore about yourself, and every videos I will just to say that explore yourself, because if you exploring yourself, then you find that how you are attractive, and how you becoming, and what type of people you are, and you becoming to be. So that I like to speak in English, because coming to the time that I was reached the timetable of 35 minutes, so that I was not remember that how I can busy, and how much I can talk toward myself. So that, and coming to the previous video, I was not record the video for more than 3 minutes, and not to conversate myself for more than 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. But after coming to the point, daily conversation, daily talking with myself, I will approach myself as a growing person, because I was always say that I was every time I was get busy for my schedule, but after getting a time, I always try to discuss about myself, and all the time, so that the discussion will approach myself. And after recording the videos, this will helping to be the very much fluentness increase into the conversation, or helping the very much skills that we have. First of all, coming to the point that we are just to coming to the last of the videos, and I was just to say that why the skills are so much important in the today's generation. Because as we can see that lots of people who was into the social media platform, just to seeing or just to exploring about the skills that they have. Many people who have the lots of skill, just to they are explore themselves in front of the camera, or in front of the social media platform, so that they can grow themselves. But coming to backward to our toward ourselves, that lots of people that were always not wanted to becoming to be the growth related person in front of the camera, because they was not able to showcase your their skills. For example, coming to the point, the skills was important, because if you have the degrees, that you have the lots of bigger degree, if you are pursuing that degree, but you have don't know about how to work, how to talk about anyone, how to express your thoughts, how to provide service of the people. For that, what type of job that you have to know about yourself, that to how you can grow the company for the better approach, for the better upcoming idea. So that how it could be very much important toward yourself, that to knowing the skills, and to knowing the anything about yourself, that how can you can create a good skills, create a good skills, and how to create a better opportunity for the company, so that you becoming to be the very much important for the conversation. So that also to the coming point, that the conversation was not a bigger point, but also to be the bigger point in perspective to the people who can watch you from the foreign countries, or from the Indian countries. Oh, the accent was also to be very much recognized for yourself, because if your accent was so much good, then the public want to hear you, and the public wanted to say something, and so know about something yourself, that how you can attractive your voices, and how you can able to say something in front of the camera, and what type of language that you have to be expressing yourself, so that it could be very much important for yourself. And coming to the point, that skills was important, and Coming to the another point, that lots of people who was coming from the background, they was not knowing about the skills, or just to passing about the degrees and pursuing the degrees and watching the reels and not to pursuing anything. They always try to get a degree just to exploring themselves that they can get a job after completing the degrees. There was having a barrier about themselves that they will never, always never they can approach it, because the degree will not pay you the money, because everything is needed that if you have the skills, if you have knowledge about the skill, if you have knowledge about yourself, then you can earn money from yourself. So that how it could be important to toward the growth related person in front of the people or the public or into the company. Always stay motivated, stay consistent toward your job, because coming to the 20 days I was just to be very much consistent toward myself, that how I can becoming to be the monk, opening the monk mode for daily English conversation, and coming to the point that whenever I can take a recharge for myself, I will recharge my smartphone only. The date was of 1st July. I will recharge my smartphone, because I wanted to becoming to be the addicted toward the my monk mode, because not to scrolling the phone, not to disturbing myself, just to finding myself how I was, and how what type of person I was, and what type of conversation does I have, and what type of quality based information that could be delivered from myself, so that how it could be important and how it could be very much benefited for myself. And I like to deliver the discussions and lots of conversation from myself, so that this was the today's video, and hope you all also becoming to be the growth related person and becoming to be so motivated. And let's meet up into the tomorrow's video, and this is for today's video. Bye bye.